Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to convert a PDF file into a Word file. So for example, I have this Word file that I have already converted to a PDF file, and I'll show you where I've done that. So this is called today-2, and here's the PDF file that has already been converted. So if you want to know how to convert a Word file to PDF file, check out the video on this channel already created and ready for you to check it out. So make sure you check that out. Also check out some other videos: how to install Avast antivirus free, Google Chrome, Firefox, and how to download it Windows 10 for free to USB, already available on this channel. So let's get going. So I had this PDF file on, and I want to open it with the Word, and I want to edit this file. Okay, so how do I do that? So first thing we're going to do, go and click on your start, open up your Word, whichever version that you have, and at this point what we're going to click on is this open tab. Once you click on open, go ahead and click on browse. Now my file is sitting on desktop, so I'm going to go to my desktop folder, and I'm going to click on this Word-2 folder, and what I'm going to do is open my today-2 file, which is the PDF file. Now it is going to give me a warning if it's got a different version, but go ahead and click OK, and that will convert that file to PDF. So there you go. That's how you do it. Now this is one way to do that, and of course you can edit this and all that. But let's say you have a file that you downloaded from a provider like Adobe or somebody, and you open that up. So to do that, go ahead and open up Word one more time, and I would download a sample file. So what we're gonna do is use this sample file and open it up. So open up the same folder, and here's the sample file. And it's going to ask me for permissions again, and what we're going to say is click OK. Now if you look at this file, this is some kind of manual from a pro content provider. So, and here's the sample PDF file that I'm going to show you here. So this is how the let's see, looks like it did not open, but here's the sample file. So it looks like it's having an error. So what I'm going to do is, as you guys can see, what I wanted to show you is this format right here. So I'm going to close this just for a minute, and I'll show you the other file. Okay, so if you look at this sample file, it is formatted a little differently. So as you see, the format is here on this side. So but that is how you can open it up. That's the method 1. So going back to method 2, we can go to Google and type in PDF. Simply go to your online portal or browser, PDF to Word, and type in enter, and go ahead and click on the second link, PDF to doc.com, and I will provide this link in the description so you guys can get to it directly via just going to the link. Okay, so once you're here, go ahead and click on Word to PDF to doc, upload a particular file that you have. So we're gonna upload a sample file, and once you get that uploaded, then you'll see uploading done, and you'll see an option right here. See, as you see, it's converting, and what we're going to do is go ahead and click on download. So at this point it's already converted, and you can simply download this. Now if you use this, it's gonna, if you have any older versions like Office 2008 or 2016, it may be a little better than using the latest version, because we don't know when the file was created. So this is a secondary way, which is completely free. You can download this Word file or convert this Word file. As you see, that manual that we just uploaded, it's back, and we downloaded that. So again, you can click enable editing and simply just edit whatever you want. So you can just name this sample-2 or whatever you need to do, but that is how you guys can convert a PDF file to a Word file. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do leave the comments in the comment section below. I will be answering all the questions. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to check out the other videos. See you on the other side. Thanks. Bye bye.